Hello and welcome to my channel. On my channel, what we're going to be basically doing is going to be kind of a mixture of, pull out on here, it's going to be a mixture of rambles, as the title suggests. So basically I'm going to be ranting and raving about either car things or very random things. It could be down to anything. It could be how someone's just driven in front of me, or it could be down to the fact that Trump has started war with Russia. It's going to be very random and whatever's on my mind at that moment in time. So that's the main key of the channel, is going to be the random vlogs or blogs or whatever you guys call them these days, and just me saying what I think about things, and hopefully you guys can relate to or the way I feel about certain areas. The second thing this channel's all about is about my car. A lot of you will probably get brought to this channel thinking he owns an ST. Like, I own an ST, let's look at some stuff. And the plan is to basically, the plan is to modify my car nicely. Now, the reason I say nicely is basically there's a lot of people out there that fully modify their cars, and I mean they wrap their car, they get body kits, they get wide arches, they get new alloys, you know, they stage free their car, they put it on air, and I personally don't want to do that. One is a money situation. A lot of people pour thousands and thousands and thousands of pounds into their cars, and although they get self-satisfaction out of it, and a lot of people, I assume, like their cars, it's not something I'm looking to do. I'm not looking to spend thousands and thousands and thousands making myself feel better about my car. Because let's face it, the Fiesta ST is already an amazing car to drive, already sounds awesome. Stuff that I have got planned for it, I will take this car up to stage 1, so I will get an air intake, and possibly stage 2, so an exhaust and an intercooler, possibly, but we're talking in the future. Stage 1 should be arriving, if AET Motorsport actually send it to me, within the next few days. I've been waiting since Easter for it, and this woman called Jill keeps palming me off saying that parts have arrived and they're sending them today and it should be with me tomorrow. They said that 3 times now, and that tomorrow is today, because she sent me another email yesterday saying, oh, they've just received the tuning tools, it'll be with you tomorrow. With any luck, it does arrive today, but on the website it says unfulfilled, so I assume it's not coming again and I've been lied to or palmed off, but we will see. We will see what happens. They're meant to be a really good company, but I don't know. I feel like I'm getting palmed off at the minute, and I've got 600 quid sitting in their bank account. It's a little bit unnerving. So anyway, stage 1. That's the plan. I'm going to get an ITG intake, and obviously the Perron stage 1 plus map, and I will let you guys know what I think of that. Otherwise, there's going to be a lot of little cosmetic stuff, and I mean little cosmetic. So it could be from, I will be doing tutorials on light bulbs. I know it sounds simple, but changing your light bulbs can change the look of a car dramatically. Doing badges, so I've already changed the badge on my back of the car to a black one. The next badge I'll be doing, as I pull out onto this roundabout, the next badge I'll be doing is the front one, so I'm looking for a black, because I've got currently a frozen white Fiesta ST. I've got a black badge inlay on the back, and I'm looking to get a white one on the front. I think that kind of changes the look of a car dramatically, just by changing one simple colour of a logo, because the logo that everyone looks at the end of the day. I'm looking to change, obviously, the Ford badges to something a bit more cleaner, a bit nicer rather than just blue. Like I said, front headlight bulb's going to change, and then just other little areas, maybe gel badges on the wings, but I don't know. that. Maybe wing risers, but once again I don't know about that. I already have mud flaps attached to my car, Mountune mud flaps. I will do a walk around my car and show you guys what's actually on my car, but that will come at a later date. But anyway, so just a quick update. So basically, to summarise everything, in case you didn't want to listen to this whole video, I'm sure I'll link it to this point, but to summarise everything, my channel will be about me ranting and raving in vlog form in terms of driving around my car. Most of the time it will be either on or off or away from work, because that's where obviously most of our adult lives are spent these days. And then the next is obviously modifications to the car. There will also be a little bit of car cleaning and stuff like that. I say detailing. I hate the word detailing. I'll be cleaning my car. That does involve polishing it sometimes, waxing it sometimes, cleaning the alloys. I'm not experienced in it at all. I don't know what I'm doing, but hopefully you guys enjoy it anyway. I personally find it quite calming to watch people wash their cars. Bit of a weird thing to say, but here we are. Anyway, hope you guys like my channel, and I hope you guys enjoy future videos.